Hi folks, and welcome back to this week's Modern Learning Tip of the Week. This week I'm going to be showing you a new feature that is being offered in Google Sheets, which makes inserting checkboxes and sort of checking certain things off much easier. So before we would have to insert different formulas, and if you weren't familiar with Excel or with spreadsheets or anything like that, it might be a little bit more difficult. But now Google's made it really simple to do this. So the example that I've got here is a sample success criteria. So let's say these are all of my students here, and I've got my different success criteria that I'm looking at in terms of, say, maybe a met or not yet met. So if it's met, I'm going to give it a check mark. If it's not yet met, maybe I want to leave it blank. So before, I would have to, go into my success criteria 1 for student number 1, insert and look for an image or something like that, which again would take a very long time. But instead, what I can do now is just simply highlight all of the student cells here, go to Insert, and come down to Checkbox. You'll see that it's now an option, and you'll see that now it has a little checkbox beside each of the students' names. And again, I can do that for all of the rest of the success criteria as well. So again, Insert Checkbox, and then whether I'm on my laptop or Chromebook, or I can even have the Google Sheets app open, what I could be doing is walking around with my phone or my tablet, and as I see student 1 meet success criteria 1, I can just simply check that off. Meet success criteria 2, check that off. Maybe success criteria 3 wasn't met. Student 2, again, they met all 3, which is great. So again, we can continue to check these boxes off as we need to. So it makes it really simple to insert checkboxes when using a spreadsheet for conversations, observations, or whatever it is that you might be using spreadsheets for. So hopefully you found this tip helpful. As always, let me know if you have any questions, and we'll see you next week.